step-by-step guide to YouTube monetization. Join me as I try making money on YouTube in just 1 month, following this step-by-step guide. Making money on YouTube is a topic that's more relevant today than ever before. With millions of active creators and billions of hours of content being consumed every day, the potential for monetizing your YouTube channel is undeniable. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a comprehensive guide on how to make money on YouTube, covering the most effective strategies, tips, and insights to help you succeed. One of the biggest obstacles new YouTubers face when trying to monetize their channel is the sheer competition. With so many creators vying for attention, it can be overwhelming to figure out how to stand out from the crowd. Another challenge is the steep learning curve that comes with navigating YouTube's ever-changing algorithms and policies. Many creators struggle to understand how to optimize their videos for maximum visibility, engagement, and ultimately, revenue. The key is to focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience and building a loyal community around your channel. This takes time, effort, and patience, but the payoff can be substantial. Another challenge many YouTubers face is the uncertainty of how to monetize their channel effectively. With so many options available, it can be difficult to know which strategies to focus on and how to execute them successfully. Let's dive into the various methods of monetization available to YouTubers, including ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise. Ad revenue is one of the most common ways creators monetize their channels, but it requires a significant amount of views and engagement to be profitable. Sponsorships can be lucrative, but they often require a large following and a clear understanding of your target audience. When it comes to ad revenue, one strategy is to focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. This can increase your views, engagement, and ultimately, your ad revenue. Another strategy is to optimize your videos for maximum visibility by using relevant keywords, tags, and descriptions. One strategy is to focus on building a loyal community around your channel by engaging with your viewers and creating content that resonates with them. This can make it easier to attract sponsors who are interested in reaching your audience. Merchandise can be a fun way to monetize your channel, but it requires a significant upfront investment and a clear understanding of your brand and audience. One strategy is to focus on creating high-quality products that resonate with your target audience and building a strong brand identity around your channel. One of the most effective strategies for monetizing your YouTube channel is to focus on building a loyal community around your brand. This can be achieved by creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience and building a strong brand identity. By doing so, you can increase your views, engagement, and ultimately, your revenue. Another key strategy is to diversify your income streams by exploring different methods of monetization. By not relying on a single source of income, you can reduce your risk and increase your potential earnings. One of the most important insights I can share with you is the importance of patience and persistence when it comes to monetizing your YouTube channel. To summarize, making money on YouTube requires a combination of high-quality content, a loyal community, and effective monetization strategies. By focusing on building a strong brand identity, diversifying your income streams, and being patient and persistent, you can increase your chances of success on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and I have some free tools that can be useful in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any thoughts or questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about monetizing your YouTube channel, be sure to check out my other video on the top mistakes YouTubers make when trying to make money on YouTube.